the recent incident of Jafar Express hijack that happened in Balochistan shows that Pakistan is getting weaker, whereas the Baloch freedom fighters are getting stronger and stronger by the time in Balochistan. Even in such a harsh condition, we have seen that the Baloch freedom fighters followed the human rights standards and let the elderly, women and children as well as the families to go back to Quetta, whereas the Baloch freedom fighters took hostages of hundreds of army personnel, and they demanded the release of forcibly disappeared Baloch people in exchange of those held hostages. However, we have seen that the Pakistani government didn't show any seriousness, and we think that such incidents will not stop in the future. And as we have seen that Baloch freedom fighters, particularly BLA, has been attacking Pakistan and China projects in Balochistan, and BLA is defending the motherland and the resources of the Baloch people, whereas Pakistan and China, they are trying to exploit the Baloch wealth. The situation in Balochistan demands that the regional power, India and Western power, should come forward to support the Baloch national struggle and to end the conflict between the Baloch and Pakistan.
सच्ची और निष्पक्ष खबरों के लिए हमारा साथ दें। इंडियन न्यूज सोर्स को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमें आपके समर्थन की ताकत बनाएं।